National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a flash flood warning for the Loma burn area in central Santa Clara County in Northern California until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:24 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated that heavy rain was falling over the area. Flash flooding is already occurring or is expected to begin shortly. Additional areas of concern include the Loma Chiquita Summit Road area, Svetal, Mountain Home, Casa Loma, Uvas Canyon and areas upstream of Uvas and Caspro reservoirs. Much of this terrain is extremely steep and contains areas of moderate to high burn severity. Enhanced runoff and erosion is likely and debris flows are possible. Precautionary preparedness actions. A flash flood warning for a burn area means that flash flooding, debris, flows and/or rock slides are likely or already occurring. If you are in or near the warned area, you should seek a safe location immediately. Your life may depend on how quickly you react.